Now that we're done detailing the sides, we can move on to the back and use our no guard all the way open. Near the upside of the bone, we want to make sure we detail as much as possible just to make sure that the fade is nice and even. Don't be afraid to stretch the skin with your opposite hand to give you more space to blend. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember, we're going to use this same guard and its lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. As you guys can see here, I'm switching over to my half guard and it's going to help us erase this line completely. Now using my two guard all the way open, we're going to create our fourth guideline and we're also using our comb to feed the hair into the clipper. As you guys can see, now we're switching over to our 1.5 guard and this is going to help us soften up this line and most likely remove it. Now I'm using a 3 guard all the way open and this is going to help us connect to the 5 guard on top. Remember to use your comb to feed the hair into the clipper when needed. Now that we're done with the sides and back, we can move on to his goatee, and we're going to use our goat FX to make him as crispy as possible. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a follow down below on Instagram. Moving on to the front line, I'm going to start off at the middle and work my way to the sides, and I'm going to make sure I go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Always remember, you want to keep the vertical bars as natural as possible. The clients really pay attention to this. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derber premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. When you're using your razor, you always want to keep it at a 45-degree angle and stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone.